Okay, so what about SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth? Yeah, we test for that too. In fact, with proper interpretation, a GI map can be used to determine whether or not that is also one of your issues, because you can see a bunch of different strains that are overrepresented in a sample like that. And depending on what the strain is and how it gets interpreted, we can extrapolate that into a SIBO situation, always in combination with your symptoms, which leads to a specific protocol for SIBO, which in many is important to treat because, as we've said, SIBO is associated with accumulation of histamine. But there's also a breath test that we can do through commercial labs, specific for measuring the gases that are emitted after drinking a solution that would feed organisms, get them to metabolize and ferment and produce these gases, methane, hydrogen, for example, that would show up in samples taken, every 15 minutes, collected in test tubes and sent to the lab for analysis of the gases of SIBO. So that's a screening test for small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, and it's called a SIBO breath test.